In this video I'm going to show you how to find Discord servers and join them on your mobile. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first you have to do is to find a Discord server, and to be able to do that, just open up your web browser and in search bar enter Discord servers, and you can open up the site with Discord server list. I'll select the first one. It's discord.st, and there you can search for different Discord servers in different categories. You can see that gaming, social, chill, active, dating, roleplay, Roblox, and a bunch of different other categories. And all you have to do now is to join on that server that you want to join, and for that hit on that join icon, and now at that top you see that open button. Hit on that to open up your Discord application, and there accept invite, and now you join to that server. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.